My dear viewers, very welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my feelings, share my thoughts, and also share my values with you. First of all, I have question for you, two question. First one is, and what do you mean by happiness, and how can you feel your happiness? Okay, and vice versa. And if you have questions, the same questions for me, and I will reply. First of all, what is happiness? I think so happiness is, to me, that means I mean happiness is to grow up something. That means I usually refer happiness is to bear something up. That means I usually grow up them. That means I usually fed them. I usually and I usually make them cross in the field and always. And you see, and three of my sons, that means also you can call goose or keys, whatever, and I always try to make them feed. I always try to make them bear up, and I will always and take care of them, and it is happiness for me. And no intention for agricultural perspective, and you see and how splendid they are, and I always enjoy when I feeding them and when I walking beside them in the field. And right now you see, and this is my happiness. And when they were only 3 days, and since then I have been bearing up them. And for these reasons I call myself, and I call happiness is to grow up something. And you can cultivate, you can gardening, you can and planting, and and all of these activities related to natural, and will make you glad and will make you happier, I think so. And what do you mean by happiness? Please, you can make comments, and also you can mention what do you mean by happiness. Okay, best wishes for you. Thank you so much.